I was scolded by the lady judge in front of everyone on the desk.
Oh,
So
why?
If you like this video, please do consider like, subscribe and share. Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
hello, I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good, not that good, but somehow feeling good because I'm talking
Okay.
to you people, so now I feel good.
Oh my
So,
God.
what? Why you are saying like that?
I am feeling delighted seeing you in front of me.
Oh,
Otherwise, I always watch you on YouTube videos.
yeah. Thank you so much. Okay, so Vandana, please introduce yourself. Then we will move in our conversation.
Okay, as you know, my name is Vandana. I am living in Panchkula, Haryana, and
Oh,
my parents belongs to Haryana. I was born and brought up in Panchkula, and I have completed my graduation in BCom stream, and now I am a government servant. And
oh.
in my free time to relax my mind, I like to listen music, interact with new people, and visit new places. That's it. And nowadays, I am mostly watching your YouTube videos. Nowadays, I also love to enjoy making short videos on Instagram.
Oh, okay,
That's it.
okay. Nice. So, what kind of content you create?
I make mostly funny videos.
Funny videos.
I
Oh,
ju- yes. I just like to make them. I enjoy that moment. That's why. That
great,
is why.
great.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, in this situation, in this pandemic situation, we have to find certain ways so we can enlighten ourselves and we can,
Right.
yeah, make good, feel good us, right? So, this is
Yes.
good way to make happy yourself. Okay, so you said that
Right.
you are working, you are a government servant. So may I know your
Right.
post?
Yes. I am working as a stenographer in Chandigarh High Court.
High court. Oh my God. So whenever I will have some issues in future, I will contact with you.
I wish you never have such issues that you have to
Me
come
too.
to High Court. These
Me too.
these are the very dangerous places. First of all, High Court and hospitals. I wish you never got any such circumstances that you have to come there.
Yes, you're right. One of my senior said to me that in this, I mean, in the earth, two or three places, I cannot recall right now three places, but hospital and court and one more
Right.
place he had said to me, but I right now I cannot recall. These are like worst thing in the earth.
Right.
If someone
That is
has to
why
face,
I told.
yes,
Yes.
you're right. But you are doing a job at that place, so it is good.
Yes.
So okay, so please tell me any weird experience, your weird experience at your workplace, if you can recall right now.
Actually, I have been appointed there in last December only.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and till now only our training session is going on.
So
So no weird situation I have faced,
okay,
but I have worked on contract basis in district court earlier in 2014.
all
At
right.
that time, it was I felt very nervous when I first time entered into the court room, and it was like my heart was beating very fast, and there is what the scene is in front of me. a judge was sitting, the lady judge, and the whole courtroom was covered with the black advocates in black coats. I found it very scared. It was very difficult first day. I was flushed at that time. I felt very nervous. Yes, I must say. And on the first day, I was scolded by the lady judge in front of everyone on the desk.
Oh,
So
why?
as we all know, there are many pending cases in courts, and work is very work is in a very work is in very much to work there.
All employees over there burdened with work.
Yes, burdened with work. So that was my first day, and pendency was lying there of yesterday's.
Okay.
So that judge madam doesn't know that that was my first day, and she told me that you have to complete whole the work, today's cases and last day's cases. So I didn't know how to deal with it. So I requested to madam on the desk only in front of everybody that ma'am, that it was my first day and I do not know how to work here. I did not know how to order in the files. So she get angry, she get annoyed, and she told the reader that read साहब सब झालो इस लड़की को, ये मेरे से ऐसे बात नहीं करेगी.
My
So
God.
that was the weird experience for me. After that, reader told me that if you have any problem, if you have any issue, you will not say anything on the desk. It doesn't look nice in front of everyone. You can tell her after the court in her chamber.
Yes. It was like
Yes.
that you disrespected her.
Right,
Like,
right.
right?
Right.
Yeah, yeah, I can understand. Even I mean, you are explaining all your things, first day experience. I right now I can also recall my first day. I mean, how it feel when someone go to his or her workplace for the first time. Yeah, it is like
Right.
a very big day. At the same time, people feel nervous.
But when after when she was transferred from there, she also called me at her home for a small party.
Oh.
So yes, so I was happy. Yes, it happens sometimes.
Yeah, I mean,
Right.
maybe I don't know what was the exact situation, but she felt that you are very young and you didn't know all the process at that time. So she was good towards you, I think so. You again,
You are
I mean,
saying
got stuck. No, I was
right,
saying
right,
I was saying that she realized that you were very early bird at that time. So
right.
yes, that was nice. That is nice experience you share. It is lovely. Yeah. So Vandana, okay. So you were saying that you watch my videos on regular basis, right?
Right, right.
What are the things you like about my videos? Apart from English, I know you. I mean, the most important reason is that learning English, I must say.
Right.
Yeah.
I like your courage.
Oh,
How you talk and you share videos. That is the most appreciable thing for me, because it was difficult for me. I cannot do that, and it is also encouraging for us. We
oh,
watching your videos encourage us. Sometimes I lose interest. Sometimes I think what to do after learning that English. But then your video pops on my phone, Then when I watch your videos, it gives me an encouragement, and to encourage you also, so that you will make that videos continuously. I message.
Hello, Vanna.
There is a connection. Yes, yes. Network issues are there.
Yes. I understand. I think weather is not good in your place as well. I mean, there is thunderstorm. I don't know about your place.
No, no, no. It's sunny today.
Okay, because before you, I talked with two girls who belong Haryana itself. You know, you are third one.
Okay,
You are
okay.
third Haryanvi girl. You are from Haryana, right?
Yes, yes. I'm from Haryana.
Yes. So you are the
But
third one.
if anyone asks me, so I used to say
Hello.
again there is network issues.
Sorry, dear. We can't do anything with this signal.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, you are saying something. You used to say.
I used to say that I'm from Chandigarh because Chandigarh is near to close to Panchkula.
Oh, okay. And Chandigarh is
I
famous
have
city as well.
right. That is why.
Yes.
Yes.
Anything else, Vanna, you want to ask, you want to say? Because I need to wrap up the session within few minutes.
Okay. I want to ask that as you practice on Flamingo,
Mm-hmm.
uh, besides having conversation with an Indian tutor, do
Mm-hmm.
you get any reading material or anything else like to do exercise of English?
Like reading material you are asking for?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, what should I have? I don't nowadays. I don't use this kind of things like reading material or any sort of book or like this. You know, I just watch YouTube videos because nowadays speaking is my most important. I mean, concern. I can say how can I improve my speaking ability in English?
Sorry, I haven't heard. There is a network problem.
Yeah, I feel so. I was saying like nowadays I'm only focusing in the speaking module of English, you know, because
Okay.
we know reading, we know I mean writing, not exactly,
Right,
not
right,
in a
right.
good way, but so most of the time I used to listen different people who are very good at English, fluent speaker. Okay,
Right,
listening
right,
is
right.
I think a very important practice if we really want to improve our speaking part of English. Okay, and
Right, right.
other than that there are lots of things on YouTube, so I don't need to go any other place, you know. if you want
Yes,
to
yes, yes. You're
if you
right.
want to prepare for IELTS exam, so there are lots of content on YouTube. If you want to do grammar practice, so I think YouTube is more than enough if you really want to learn overall English, not only speaking part. If you want to learn in grammatical way, if you want to learn uh, in pronunciation way, so you will get lots of content, I think so. Hello.
Okay.
Other than
Yes,
that,
yes,
you can read newspaper, and
yes.
I watch English news channel because it helps me a lot.
Right.
I have interest as well related current affairs, so I enjoy watching English news channel. And
Okay.
other than that, I watch English series, movies, and this is the best way I think so that to improve communication skills and to get um, different phrases to express one thing. I think we should wrap up the session here, but
Okay.
it is lovely chatting with you. Thank you so much for
Same
joining me.
here. Same here. Right.
Yes.
You and keep encouraging like this only.
Yes. You are the guys.
Okay.
You motivate me, and I will motivate others. Like
Yeah.
I got good comments from your side, so it make me motivated.
Yes. I want that you keep doing this thing so that we also get motivation.
Yes, right, yet. So please keep supporting and keep watching.
Right, Megha.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.